Hi, my name is Piyush. I am working as a cyber security analyst. My friend recommended me to join Apponix Technology for the cyber security training. After completing the cyber security training from Apponix Technologies, helped me a lot. He helped me a lot in teaching the various ways how we can work in the cyber security industry and everything. And after that, when our course was completed, the placement team from Apponix also helped me a lot in finding a job, finding a right path. And with the help of the HR and placement team, I was able to get placed in the company as a cyber security analyst. I'm wishing all the best to Apponix Technologies, and thank you so much.